Hi, I'm Alex. I'm from Xantrex, and I'm going to go over a few features and some of the things you should know about the Dynamax iSATA 3 Freedom Edition. In order to get to transport mode, you have to push and hold the OK button. You have to be on the 4.1 system, and you'll see this green arrow over here. If you push and hold the right arrow, it'll say SoC reserve limit. We have it at 10 right now, and you have all of these options. We're going to set 90. And we can see that it says transport mode right beneath the numerical value.
In the upper left corner, we can see a countdown timer, indicating that we have exceeded our threshold limit, kind of like a cutoff limit, starting a 300-second timer. After the 300 seconds has elapsed, the system will shut off unless it is given a charge source.
This is really helpful if you are doing long-term storage, or if it's going to go sit on a service lot for a while. The way to get out of it is the same way that you got into it. You just hit the 10%, hit the exit button, and there you go. You say you're not saying transport mode anymore, and you don't have your counter.